Everyone thinks the best-selling lunch bag is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different.
Product number 1, LifeWit Medium Lunch Bag. Priced at just $7.98, this bag caught my attention with its sleek black design and impressive capacity. If you want a solid lunch bag that keeps things cool or warm for hours, this is worth a serious look. This bag boasts thermal insulation, keeping your food at the right temperature for over 4.5 hours. That's perfect for busy days at the office or outings. It can hold up to 12 cans and has a spacious 9-liter capacity, making it great for storing sandwiches, snacks, and drinks. What's more, it's leak-proof and waterproof, so no worries about spills ruining your day. The durable exterior is easy to clean, and the adjustable shoulder strap makes it a breeze to carry. Now, some people complained about the bag being a bit bulky when fully packed, and I get that. Here's the thing though, if you need space for a full day's meals, that size is actually a benefit. It's designed for those who need to pack a lot, so if you're looking for something compact, this might not be your best option. This is perfect for you if you often pack lunches for work or picnics. Skip this one if you want something smaller or more stylish. For the price, it's a solid choice that delivers on its promises. Now, if LifeWit's size felt a bit overwhelming, this next one takes a more compact approach. Product number 2, Femuar Reusable Lunchbox, priced at $7.99. The first thing that stood out to me was its lightweight design and easy portability. If you're looking for a bag that balances capacity with convenience, this one deserves your attention. This lunch bag keeps food cold or hot for over 6 hours, thanks to its thick insulation. Imagine heading to work and knowing your lunch will taste fresh and delicious. The 8.7-liter capacity means you can easily fit your meals, snacks, and drinks without cramming. Plus, it has multiple compartments, so you can organize everything from your keys to utensils, which is a real plus for those hectic mornings when you're rushing out the door. However, I did see some complaints about the zippers not being very sturdy. I'll be real with you, while that can be a concern, many users found them acceptable for regular use. Just be mindful of how you handle them, and you should be good to go. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable lunch bag for work or casual outings. Skip this if you're looking for something ultra durable. At this price, it's a great value for anyone needing a functional lunch container. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prioritize portability. Product number 3, Lavoio Lunchbox. Let's talk about the Lavoio Lunchbox, priced at an attractive $7.59. What I really liked about this bag is its lightweight and functional design. If you want something easy to carry without sacrificing space, this bag is worth considering. The dimensions give you enough room to pack your lunchboxes, fruits, and snacks, making it ideal for a full day out. The insulated aluminum foil keeps your food at the right temperature, whether you need it warm or cool. With a grid on the side for drinks and a large pocket for your essentials, it's convenient for those busy days when you're on the go. Plus, it's easy to clean, which is always a plus. Some users mention that the bag feels a bit flimsy and might not hold up over time. Here's the thing though. If you're looking for something lightweight and easy to handle, you might find this bag fits the bill perfectly. Just keep in mind it's not designed for heavy-duty use. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a light lunch bag for casual outings or work. Skip this if you need something that can take a lot of wear and tear. At this price, it's a decent option for everyday use. Now, if you're searching for something with a little more style, you'll want to check out this next bag. Product number 4, Femuar Lunch Bag. Another option from Femuar, simply called the Femuar Lunch Bag, priced at just $6.99. This one caught my eye for its compact size and practical design. If you want something that's easy to pack and carry, this bag could be your go-to. This bag is designed for convenience, with a simple yet effective insulation that keeps your food fresh without weighing you down. It's perfect for a quick lunch at work or a picnic in the park. The lightweight design means you can easily toss it into your bag without it taking up much space. Honestly, it's great for those who don't need too much capacity. However, I did notice some users felt it didn't have enough space for larger meals. Here's the thing though, if you're a light eater or just need it for snacks, this bag is ideal. It won't carry an entire feast, but it'll handle a sandwich and some fruit just fine. This is perfect for you if you want a simple, easy-to-carry lunch bag for light meals. Skip it if you tend to pack a lot for lunch. For the price, it's a reasonable choice for everyday use.
If you want something that balances style and functionality, the next bag might be right up your alley.
Product number 5, Blue Boon Lunchbox. Last is the Blue Boon Lunchbox, priced at $11.99. What really stands out about this bag is its cute design and spacious capacity. If you're looking for a stylish lunch bag that doesn't compromise on functionality, this one is definitely worth a look. This bag measures 10.5 by 7.5 by 7.5 inches, making it spacious enough for a full meal. The insulated aluminum foil lining is perfect for keeping your food fresh, and the lightweight polyester exterior gives it a trending look. Plus, the front pocket is super handy for keeping smaller items organized. This genuinely surprised me, as it combines style with practicality. That said, some users mention that the design might not be as durable as more rugged options. I can see how that could be a downside for some. However, if you treat it well, it should hold up fine for regular use. This is perfect for you if you want a fashionable lunch bag for work or outings. Skip this if you need something ultra durable for heavy use. For the price, it offers great value for those who appreciate aesthetics along with functionality. So, there you have it. The LifeWit and Femoir options give you solid performance at a budget-friendly price. The Livoio is great for lightweight needs, while the Femoir bag offers simplicity and ease. Finally, the Blue Boon brings style into the mix. Each has its strengths, so it really comes down to what you need most.